The Luhya people of Western Kenya are one of the largest ethnic communities in the country, known for their rich culture, unity, and strong traditions. Their origin story is a blend of oral traditions, migration theories, and historical studies. Here's a detailed historical account of their origins. 1. The Luhya identity and composition. The Luhya are not a single ethnic group in the strict sense, but rather a confederation of sub-tribes that share cultural, linguistic, and historical ties. Today, there are 18 main Luhya sub-tribes, including the Bukusu, Maragoli, Banyala, Banyore, Idako, Isuka, Wanga, Tachoni, Marachi, and Kabras, among others. 2. Linguistic and cultural roots. Luhya sub-tribes speak various dialects of the Luhya language, which belongs to the larger Bantu language family. This places their deeper ancestry within the Bantu migration, a massive movement of people from Central and West Africa that started around 1000 BCE. 3. Migration and settlement. There are two main theories explaining how the Luhya people came to settle in Western Kenya. A. Bantu migration theory. According to historians and anthropologists, the Luhya originated from the Congo Basin or Central Africa, migrating eastward as part of the Great Bantu expansion. They moved through present-day Uganda and into Western Kenya around 1000 to 1500 AD. These migrants brought with them knowledge of ironworking, agriculture, and cattle keeping. They settled around the Lake Victoria Basin, intermarrying with Nilotic and Cushitic communities already in the region. B. Intertribal formation theory. Another theory suggests that the Luhya identity formed later as a coalition of various small clans and communities that shared trade routes, farming practices, and intermarriage. These clans eventually adopted similar languages and cultural practices, identifying collectively as Abaluhya, meaning the people or those of the same hearth. 4. The role of the Wanga kingdom. One of the most significant and well-documented Luhya subtribes is the Wanga, known for establishing a centralized political system. The Wanga kingdom, with its capital at Mumias, was led by a line of kings called the Nabongo. The most famous king, Nabongo Mumia, played a key role in pre-colonial and early colonial Kenya. He collaborated with Arab traders and later the British colonial government in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, becoming an influential figure. The Wanga kingdom is often cited as an example of indigenous African governance, and it helped unify several Luhya sub-tribes under one political structure for a time. 5th, colonial period and its impact. During colonial rule, the British recognized and used local leaders, especially the Nabongo, to administer Western Kenya. The construction of the Uganda Railway and establishment of colonial towns like Kakamega and Bungoma facilitated the spread of Christianity, Western education, and economic activities. Despite colonial influence, Luhya people maintained strong ties to their traditions, especially in areas like initiation ceremonies, music and dance, and clan systems. 6. Post-independence and modern identity. After Kenya gained independence in 1963, the Luhya became politically and economically active. They have produced influential leaders like Masinde Muliro, Moody Awori, Kijana Wamalwa, and Musalia Mudavadi. Today, Luhyas remain proud of their roots, balancing tradition with modernity, and continue to be a strong political and cultural force in Kenya. 7. Cultural symbols and practices. Bullfighting, Isukuti dance, roasted maize, and ugali with chicken, ingoko, are iconic in Luhya culture. Circumcision ceremonies, kukala o musinde, remain important rites of passage, especially among the Bukusu and Tachoni. Traditional naming, ancestral worship, and respect for elders are key cultural values.